Good afternoon. I'm Travis Hunter, and first of all, I just want to thank you guys for this opportunity to be considered. As I walk you through my career path, I want to touch base on some of the key attributes that I've learned or developed over the years that really will resonate with what you guys are looking for in this candidate. As I ask myself why Cisco, I think back to the passion that I have for just building new relationships and the thirst for new technology. I think those two things in this program go a long way, and you guys are a top leader in providing IT support and solutions to these customers and continuously providing innovative ways to provide more solutions, which in this program will give me developmental growth throughout this with new channels to sell to. Also, taking into consideration, very excited about learning something and challenging myself, learning a new portfolio, and using that portfolio to already use skills that I have in place that I've used internally in my organization currently, of focusing on implementing solutions with internal customers and external customers, being our production line and those working with the supply base. So focusing on those really and just understanding the overall process and what it takes to be successful in implementing something in a large organization. Some of the key attributes I really want to touch base on are unification. Unification, I talk about that because I'm talking about internal and external and bringing those two together. You've got to be very clear on expectations up front as a customer. And I have to be able to hone in on what he's asking for and what he needs in his business so I can take it back to the internal user, because I'm only as successful as the internal specialists who are going to help me implement these solutions. Secondly, self-driven. I've continuously shown in my career that I've been given more responsibility in focusing on solutions, and continuously improving on my technology skills, as well as focused on just developing myself from a career perspective. One thing I really want to focus on is one of my most recent achievements. I think this will showcase some of the attributes that I've just kind of mentioned. Focused on material at point of use. This is impacting our production line in a peak season. It's enabling us to get customers' orders behind and late. So we had to figure out a solution. So I was challenged with finding that solution to our raw materials, material flow process. Focusing back at the warehouse where we receive our materials is where I focus. Eliminating processes, utilizing the BPIs and Business Pro processes, as well as the internal users using the system. We eliminated two steps in the entire process, making SAP a little smarter, communicating in the front end to trigger parts directly to the line from the goods receipt rather than put away and picking them. So implemented that showcases some skills that I have. I hope to get the opportunity to come showcase what I can do with your guys' portfolio, and appreciate the help.